Have you ever pondered how artificial intelligence is shaping our world in ways we never anticipated? The dawn of AI is a fascinating tale, a revolution that's been quietly brewing over the last decade. It's a story that's reshaping our lives, our societies, even how we perceive reality. Picture this, in the span of just 10 years, we've seen artificial intelligence evolve from a complex and somewhat elusive concept, confined to the realm of scientific research and high-tech labs, to a household term, a ubiquitous force that's impacting every corner of our lives. It's a journey that has taken us from the realm of science fiction to the reality of everyday life. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic dream. It's here, now, learning, adapting, evolving, and it's changing the game in ways we're only beginning to understand. Marketing, for instance, has been transformed by AI's ability to analyze data on a scale that would be impossible for humans, allowing for unprecedented levels of personalization. In education, AI is revolutionizing learning methods, making education more accessible and personalized than ever before. In the world of politics, AI is redefining strategies, providing insights into public sentiment, and even predicting outcomes with a degree of accuracy that was unthinkable just a few years ago. Our health sector is also being revolutionized, with AI aiding in everything from diagnosis and treatment planning to drug discovery and patient care. Even our personal finances are not left untouched. AI is helping us manage our money better, making complex financial decisions simpler and more accessible to the average person. And yet, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential of AI is vast, its potential applications almost limitless. We are standing on the precipice of a new era, an era marked by the rise of machines that can learn, reason, and make decisions. An era where the lines between the digital and the physical, the human and the machine, are becoming increasingly blurred. So, are you ready to dive in to explore this brave new world of artificial intelligence? Let's embark on this journey to understand the profound impact of AI, starting with marketing. Marketing strategies have been revolutionized by AI. But how exactly? Well, let's dive right in. A primary use of AI in marketing is customer segmentation. This involves dividing a company's customers into distinct groups that behave in similar ways or have similar needs. Now imagine having to manually sift through millions of customer data points to achieve this. Sounds daunting, right? Well, that's where AI steps in. Take Netflix, for instance. They leverage AI to segment their over 200 million subscribers based on viewing habits and preferences. These segments are then targeted with personalized content recommendations, creating a unique viewing experience for each subscriber. This not only enhances user engagement but also drives customer retention. Now let's talk about predictive analytics, another facet of marketing where AI plays a crucial role. Predictive analytics involves using historical data to predict future outcomes. For marketers, this means predicting customer behavior, trends, and sales. A prime example of a company using predictive analytics is Amazon. Their recommendation engine, powered by AI, analyzes past purchases, items in your cart, and even items you've spent time viewing. It then predicts what else you might be interested in, making personalized product recommendations. This has been a game changer for Amazon, significantly boosting their sales. AI's role in marketing isn't just limited to big corporations. Even small businesses are beginning to leverage AI tools for tasks like automated email marketing and social media monitoring. These tools help businesses understand their audience better and create more targeted marketing campaigns. It's also worth noting that AI in marketing is not just about selling more products or services. It's about improving the customer experience. By providing personalized experiences and relevant content, businesses can build stronger relationships with their customers, fostering loyalty and trust. As we can see, AI has become an indispensable tool in modern marketing. From customer segmentation to predictive analytics, AI is helping businesses reach their customers in more effective and personalized ways. And as AI continues to evolve, we can only expect its influence in marketing to grow even more. So, stay tuned for more exciting developments in this space. Education is the foundation of our society, and AI is transforming it. From classrooms to e-learning platforms, artificial intelligence is redefining the way we learn, making education more accessible, personalized, and efficient. Let's start with personalized learning. Imagine a classroom where every student learns at their own pace, receives instant feedback, and gets customized lessons based on their learning style. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with AI, this dream is becoming a reality. AI-powered platforms analyze students' learning patterns and identify their strengths and weaknesses. They then tailor the learning material to suit each student's needs, ensuring that no one is left behind. This personalized approach not only enhances the learning experience but also improves student performance. One real-world example of this is the language learning app Duolingo. Duolingo uses AI to provide personalized lesson plans to its users. If you're struggling with verb conjugation, Duolingo will focus more on that. If you're acing vocabulary, it'll throw in more challenging words. It's like having a private tutor in your pocket. The second case study is AI-powered educational apps. These apps are revolutionizing the learning landscape by making education more interactive and engaging. Coursera, an online learning platform, uses AI to offer a wide range of courses from top universities around the world. It suggests courses based on your interests and career goals, provides peer-reviewed assignments, and even offers completion certificates. What's more, Coursera's AI system can detect plagiarism, ensuring that all work submitted is original. But it's not just about learning. AI is also assisting teachers by automating administrative tasks, grading assignments, and providing insights into student performance. This allows teachers to spend more time on what they do best: teaching. So as we can see, AI is not just transforming education, it's revolutionizing it. It's making learning more personalized, engaging, and efficient. It's breaking down barriers, making quality education accessible to everyone, everywhere. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly open up new possibilities in the realm of education. AI is not just a tool but a teacher shaping the future of education. Politics and AI? Yes, you heard it right. These two seemingly disparate fields are becoming increasingly intertwined as technology continues to evolve. In fact, artificial intelligence is beginning to play a significant role in political strategies across the globe. Let's start with polling. Traditionally, political polls have been conducted through phone calls and surveys, with results often skewed by small sample sizes or biased questioning. Enter AI. Now, we can leverage vast amounts of data from social media and online activity to generate more accurate and comprehensive polling data. AI algorithms can analyze this data, identifying trends and patterns that humans might overlook, and provide a more accurate picture of public opinion. It's like having a finger on the pulse of the nation, but with a digital twist. Next, let's talk about election predictions. Remember the surprise victory of the underdog candidate in the 2023 elections? That was foreseen by an AI. Predicting election outcomes is a notoriously tricky business, laden with variables. However, AI systems, with their ability to sift through and analyze vast amounts of data, have shown a knack for it. These systems can analyze historical voting patterns, demographic data, and even sentiment analysis from social media posts to predict who's likely to come out on top. While not always perfect, these AI-driven predictions can often prove more accurate than traditional polls, and it doesn't stop at predictions. AI is also being used to shape campaigns. By analyzing data on voter preferences and behavior, AI can help devise more effective campaign strategies. It can identify key issues that resonate with voters, suggest the best ways to communicate campaign messages, and even predict the impact of different campaign strategies. It's like having a highly sophisticated data-driven campaign manager. In conclusion, artificial intelligence isn't just a tool for tech companies or futuristic movies, it's a real powerful force that's changing the face of politics. From improving the accuracy of polls to predicting election outcomes and shaping campaign strategies, AI is now a political game changer, predicting outcomes and shaping campaigns. Healthcare is at the forefront of AI innovation. Artificial intelligence has been making waves in the healthcare industry, with its ability to revolutionize the way we approach diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. It may sound like the stuff of science fiction, but it's happening right now, in hospitals and labs across the globe. One of the most promising applications of AI in healthcare is disease diagnosis. Consider Google's DeepMind, a cutting-edge AI system that's been trained to diagnose eye disease. By analyzing thousands of retinal scans, DeepMind has learned to spot signs of age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy, two leading causes of blindness. This is a game-changer, folks. It means we can catch these conditions early and intervene before it's too late. AI is also breaking new ground in drug discovery. Take IBM's Watson, for example. This AI supercomputer is helping scientists to design new drugs, speeding up the process that can often take years. Watson can analyze vast amounts of medical literature, clinical studies, and molecular data at lightning speed. It not only finds potential drug candidates but also predicts their effectiveness and potential side effects. Imagine the implications. we could see life-saving treatments reaching patients faster than ever before. But it's not just about diagnosis and treatment. AI is also playing a crucial role in patient care. Smart algorithms can monitor patient data, alerting doctors to any significant changes, and even predicting health crises before they occur. This means patients can be treated more proactively, potentially preventing serious complications. And let's not forget about the role of AI in managing the massive amounts of data generated by the healthcare system. By automating data analysis, AI can help healthcare providers make more informed decisions, improve patient outcomes, and streamline operations. So, you see, AI isn't just a tool in the healthcare industry, it's a lifesaver, a game changer, and a revolution. It's helping us detect diseases early, discover new drugs faster, improve patient care, and manage the overwhelming amount of data. AI is not just a tool, but a lifesaver, revolutionizing healthcare. Managing finances can be a headache, but not with AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way we handle our personal finances, making tasks that were once cumbersome, easy and accessible. Let's explore how. First up, robo-advisors. These are automated platforms that provide financial planning services with minimal human intervention. They use algorithms to analyze your financial situation and goals, and then come up with an investment strategy tailored to you. One such example is Betterment, a robo-advisor that has been serving the public since 2010. Betterment uses AI to offer personalized advice on things like retirement planning and building wealth, making financial planning accessible to the everyday person. Next, let's talk about fraud detection. Credit card fraud is a global problem, costing billions each year. Here's where AI steps in. By analyzing patterns in your spending, AI can detect unusual activity, potentially saving you from a financial disaster. Take Credit Karma for instance. They use machine learning to monitor your accounts for suspicious activity, alerting you if something seems off. AI is also helping us manage our expenses. Apps like Mint use AI to categorize your transactions, track your spending, and even offer personalized budgeting tips. By analyzing your spending habits, these apps can provide insights on where you might be overspending and where you can save. Finally, AI is making tax filing easier. Platforms like TurboTax use AI to simplify the tax filing process, guiding you step by step and ensuring you don't miss out on any potential deductions or credits. So, whether it's investing, detecting fraud, managing expenses, or filing taxes, AI is making personal finance more manageable and less daunting. In essence, AI is not just a tool, but a financial advisor that's accessible to everyone, anytime, anywhere. It's helping us make smarter financial decisions and enabling us to take control of our financial destiny. AI, the new financial advisor, is shaping our financial futures. From marketing to personal finance, AI is leaving its mark everywhere. It's a brave new world we're stepping into, one where artificial intelligence is not just an accessory, but a fundamental part of our daily lives. We've explored how AI is revolutionizing marketing, creating personalized strategies that engage customers on a whole new level. It's no longer about casting a wide net, it's about using data-driven insights to connect with individuals, making every interaction count. Then, we delved into education, a field where AI is breaking down barriers and democratizing learning. Imagine having a personal tutor at your fingertips, one that adapts to your learning style and paces you through your journey. That's the promise of AI in education. In politics, AI is becoming an indispensable tool for strategy formulation and voter engagement. It can analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and even predict outcomes. It's a game changer that can level the playing field and make politics more accessible and transparent. And let's not forget about health, where AI is making strides in diagnostic accuracy, patient care, and even disease prediction. It's like having a superhuman medical team working round the clock to keep us healthy. Lastly, we looked at personal finance, where AI is making money management more accessible and less intimidating. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, one that can help you save smart, spend wisely, and invest for the future. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential of AI is vast and largely untapped. It's not just about improving processes or increasing efficiency, it's about creating new possibilities, transforming industries, and reshaping our world. So, as we step into this new era, let's not be mere spectators. Let's be active participants, learning, adapting, and growing with AI, because AI is not just a technology but a new way of life shaping our future.